Hello everyone, my name is Hussein, and today I will be showing you how to design a social media banner for YouTube in Photoshop. But I won't be creating a banner, I will be restructuring one, the Royal Courses one right here. So I think we shall start right now. I think we have to first of all create a new document, then go to web and then choose iMac 27, and then we have to deselect the artboards, maybe put a higher resolution like this and turn the background into black. When it creates like this, you have to turn the background into a layer. You can do that by clicking 2 times right here like this. Then after that we will be clicking on the rectangle tool right here and just clicking on the background layer like this. Then we have to insert the width and height. The width is 1546 and the height is 423. When that's done, we have to select the move tool and center it in the middle like this. After that, we will put some guidelines on the edges of them like this. And then, while still selecting the rectangle, click Shift and extend it to the edges of the background layer like this. After that, click OK like this. Now we'll be going back to our first document like this. Right now we'll be selecting this and moving it to our new background. Like this, and centering it like this. Now I'm going to leave you for just 1 second so I can put this on that guide and template. See you in a second. Hi, I'm back. So first of all, let us select this one and click Shift and click here. Then click right click and we have to merge them. So after I'm finished with the new banner, I'm going to put them one next to the other so we can compare them. So let us go back to our new document, and first of all we shall start on the background. We will be changing the color of the background. We can do that by going to the properties right here and then clicking on the small white box here. We have a lot of colors here, but I don't really want to use a plain old color. I want to use a gradient. So I'll be clicking here and we can choose from grays, from greens, from reds, from oranges, but I want to honor the blue from the last banner, so I'm going to be choosing maybe this one or this one, but I want somewhat of a darkish type of banner. I think I'm going to be choosing this one. So basically, after this, we will go back and still selecting the background, our main background, or the rectangle, going down here and selecting the blending options. I don't really want to bevel anything or add no strokes or inner glow. I just want a simple pattern overlay. As you can see, first of all, if we turn the opacity up, we don't have that uh, gradient overlay. So we have to find the sweet spot so it can merge with our pattern overlay. I think This is the sweet spot right here. So basically now I just want to stick with this, the normal type, and I just want to click OK. So I think our background is done for now. Then we will be selecting the text right here. We'll be actually moving it here and this up right here. The Royal Course text. So first of all, let us go back to the blending options. We'll be selecting the bevel option, putting the normal to a lighter color, and fill opacity maybe like this. Contour, no, I don't think we really need a bevel right now. Maybe we can add a stroke if we maybe put it an opacity level, a smaller opacity level. Maybe we can do it like this, maybe put it somewhat like this or this, but I think the smooth spot is 10. And now to choose our gradient. Our gradient has to be as well, I'm sorry, not the gradient. Maybe we'll put somewhat of a, yeah, bluish type, reddish orange type. I would gladly put a red type. Maybe this one. This one I think fits it nicely. So we will be clicking OK. That is it, that we'll only be doing it on this. Then we will be doing a gradient overlay. A gradient overlay maybe, I like somewhat of an orange type, I think it fits really nicely in here, but not especially this one. Maybe if we turn down the opacity in it. Not really. Maybe if we scale it somewhat, maybe. We'll stay normal. Maybe this type, or we can actually go and try to see what the green has to offer. Maybe this type, but have it a little bit more opacity. Maybe this one as well. I think this is the one. Maybe turn down the opacity like this, and then we will be finished right here. Then we will be selecting the logo, and we will be as well going to the blending options and turning on the stroke as well, and maybe as well going to the red ones and putting the same one as well as we had in the last one, like this. I think this is pretty much what I wanted, and we will be as well grading overlay on it. I think it will be nice to have it the same as well, because it looks kind of nice. Maybe changing it somewhat to a bluish color, but I think we will be staying on the same path. Sorry, just find the one that I was using. Yeah, this one. This is the one. So we will be ending it here for that one, and we will be just adding a few details to the small banner. Blending options again, turning on the bevel. No bevel. Maybe adding as well as a stroke, but we will have to make it a little bit smaller, like this. And we will maybe put a gradient overlay as well, but not in the same color, another color. Maybe putting it as this, or an orange. Yeah, let's stick with the orange, but in another fashion. I think this one hits the spot, like this, and I think we are finished for now. Let us move the gradient over here, and we will be now clicking Shift and merging this together and moving it up here. Then we will be putting this next to this. And as you can see, I think I did a pretty good job, because this one is somewhat plain looking. I wouldn't really mind it having some background feel to it, maybe some words to encourage us. Maybe I could do that. So for now, this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.